Hello everyone, good day. We are here in Santo Niño Church, Pampalén, Santo Niño Chapel. I'm gonna show you the Belen that is not yet done, finished. Preparing for Christmas, I'm gonna show you the finished product, the design. So I'll show you first. So this is the Belen. The materials are already here, starting to design. Look at the backdrop, the background. Preparing for Christmas, I'm gonna show you the finished product afterwards. Welcome to the beautiful Baguio City. This is Baguio Paparazzi, Filipino life.